So a couple issues I've already ran into. Created a hole right here in this one. This one right here is torn. You can hand me the camera, I'll show. Right up under here. I'll lift this one up just a hair so y'all can see it. It's torn right here. I'm starting to experience some issues over here. A couple tears underneath. That's all right. We're only halfway done. We'll see if I can finish this job. If these other things holding up. So this is the new shingle. This one right here is from the Certainteed Landmark series. This is the kind that our company typically uses. They've got thicker asphalt, more granules, just tends to hold up more. It's the best product we can use to do right by our homeowner right here. So, and replace this one. All right, so as I was making this initial repair, I'll put my chalk out to make this a little bit easier. You could tell in the video, I was very cautious using my tools to lift the shingles for me as to not overlift them to create other damages. Some of the problems I'm running in here is this roof is so brittle that I can't even like minutely move these shingles without them causing damages. So just by replacing this shingle, this one above it has a deep crease right there. You've got a tear right here. You've got a tear right there. Right here. And right here. You can see that. This part right here is starting to tear down there. So 1, 2, this is creased. This is creased. I believe there is another on this side. One, 2, 3. So 4 damages by 1, 2, 3 shingles. I know this claim was approved for partials. This has been our experience on the roof so far. If you have any ideas or guidance on what you would like us to do moving forward with this job so we can best help out this homeowner, I am looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you so much.